ever felt restless in a cage that was your home? Like everybody's watching everywhere you go, and people seem to know you, but they're not the folks you know. And you just dream of peace and quiet on some beach in Mexico. Have you ever been frustrated and tired of being alone, even though you got good friends to talk to on the phone? There's something missing to the tune of flesh and bone, and you just dream of making love on some beach in Mexico. When you look into the mirror, does it come as a surprise that you see yourself more clearly when you look in someone's eyes? That reflection has the clarity of the moon on water, still as snow. You want to catch some of that sparkle on some beach in Mexico. Now I'm learning how to wake up, and I'm learning how to sleep, and I'm learning how to not make promises that I won't keep, and I'm learning about loving and moving slow. Hell, I'm bound to learn me something on some beach in Mexico. Yeah, I'm bound to learn me something on some beach in Mexico. And I'm leaving in the morning. You wanna go? Yeah, I'm leaving in the morning. You wanna go?